Job 32 verse 8. However, there is in humans a spirit, the breath of the Almighty, that gives them understanding. It is by the Spirit of God in man that man's consciousness awake and man then become understanding. No man become understanding without the Spirit of God. You may have knowledge of natural things, but to apply natural things effectively and correctly, that understanding is of the Spirit. Faith in action is then the conscious awakening within you of how God make everything work perfectly for his will, his purpose and his honor. Godly faith is a from within working to the outside. The getting or creating of knowledge outside or besides God always plays out to a Babylonian confusion and death. Only the Spirit of God gives life from the inside out.